Find the average rate of change of the function f of x equals 2x plus 7 over the interval from x equals 1 to x equals 4. So what we first want to do is find our values when x equals 1 and x equals 4. So f of 1 and f of 4. Well, f of 1, we plug 1 into our equation, 1, and we have 2 times 1 plus 7. So x is 1, put 1 in for x. That simplifies. 2 times 1 is a 2, plus 7, and 2 plus a 7 gives us a 9. F of 4 was the next one here. And we put that into our equation. We have 2 times a 4 plus a 7. 2 times 4 is an 8. We add a 7 to that, and 8 plus 7 is a 15. So now we want to find the average rate of change, right? So we're going from a 9 to a 15 over a span from 1 to 4 for our x values here. So what we can do is take our change in the outputs, 15 minus 9, over the change in our x values, 4 minus a 1. Now 15 minus 9 is a 6, and 4 minus 1 is a 3, and 6 over 3 is a 2. And so the average rate of change over our interval is a 2. Now notice it's the same as our slope here. They're connected here. It won't always be that because, well, linear lines it will be, but later on it won't because we have more lines to learn besides just a linear line. But it's good to go through this process to find that average rate of change. So the average rate of change of our function is 2.